Hello Yarn Smithers. In this first example we are going to learn how to cast on a knitting project. So we're going to start with our yarn, and we have our size 6 needles is what I'm using. You'll probably be using 8s. Take the tail, put it up toward the top, take your leading yarn, put it down toward the bottom, and then drape it over an L shape with your first finger and your thumb. And then you're going to want to wrap it around like this so that you can hold both the tail and the leading yarn with your other 3 fingers. So this is how we're going to hold the yarn to cast on. You take your needle and put it between the yarn and your hand. Then just hold it onto the needle with your first finger here on your right hand, and this is actually going to end up being your first stitch when all's said and done. So give yourself some space here, and just like with the arm knitting cast on that we learned, you're going to put the needle is your arm now, you're going to put the needle through this window right here. You're going to take the tail yarn, which is up here, you're going to wrap it around and bring it back through the window. So again, you're going to take through this window, wrap around the tail yarn, and bring it back through the window, and then snug it up a bit. You don't want it to be too tight, because if it's too tight it's not going to move freely on the needle. You want it to be able to move freely. Okay, we have our tail up here, leading yarn down here, through the window, get the tail yarn, and then back through the window and pull it snug. And that is how you cast on a knitting project.